Hey y'all, today we're cleaning this dirty squishy. As you can see, the grime buildup is crazy. So first you have to pop it into the sink and pour some water in it. And you have to soak it really good. After your sink is full, you need to start scrubbing it with any shampoo. I'm using baby shampoo because it works the best. I'm gonna give it a double wash because of how filthy it was. Let's wash the shampoo off. Also, I'd be really appreciative if you could support me and like and subscribe. Let's do the squish test. I hope it's worth it. Oh my god, it definitely is. Now let's see if it's sticky. And yes, it is. I'm so happy. Bye.